Cloudy. Patchy fog between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m.
There we go.
This is the National Weather Service Office in State College, Pennsylvania. The tones you just heard were a test of the specific area message encoding from alert systems during dangerous weather events. This is the National Weather Service Office in State Systems. A message with information about a watch or warning would follow. Tests of these systems are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test may be postponed until the next weather day. Repeating, this was a test of the specific area.
So WWG52 is glitching, so it did not. Yeah.
Here is the latest National Weather Service test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems.
Oh. LWX? Holy crap. Already?
A brief thunderstorm will also be possible. This is a test of the situations, especially built where the radios will be automatically activated to warn of the impending hazards. Tests of these specially built where the radios will be automatically activated to warn of the impending hazards. Tests of these radios and the warning alarm system will be conducted at noon. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver. The warning is possible. The warning alarm will only be activated for warnings. The warning alarm will only be activated for warnings in selected warnings affecting the area. Tidal Potomac from Northern Virginia Mountain forecast for elevations above 2,000 feet, including the...
So PHI, if you can test soon, it is 11:30. If you can test, that'd be amazing. That'd be brilliant. You can save all of our time. Yes, yes, yes.
Castle. And in Maryland, Cecil, including Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station WNG704 in Hibernia Park, Pennsylvania. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. The following river state data